2 all-electric vehicles and 1 hydrogen fuel cell vehicle recently earned the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety's highest award, the Top Safety Pick Plus. These include the Audi e-tron, the Tesla Model 3, and the Hyundai Nexo. In order to earn the 2019 Top Safety Pick Plus award, a vehicle must have good ratings in all of our crash tests, be available with a headlight system that also rates good, and a front crash prevention system that earns an advanced or superior rating. The structure of the Tesla Model 3 held up reasonably well in our driver's side small overlap crash test. The only indication of an injury risk was a slightly elevated force on the dummy's lower leg. Overall, the Tesla Model 3 earned a good rating in this test. The Hyundai Nexo is the first hydrogen fuel cell vehicle ever to win an IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus award. The Chevrolet Bolt was rated acceptable for passenger protection in the small overlap crash test. The structure didn't hold up quite well enough for the highest rating. Plus, during the test, we observed that the dummy's head moved into a gap between the front airbag and the curtain and almost contacted the instrument panel directly. For these reasons, it didn't earn the highest rating. It is disqualified from earning an award because its only available headlight system is rated poor in our tests, primarily for causing glare to oncoming drivers. Our recent evaluations show that some vehicles with a low carbon footprint also offer state-of-the-art safety.